Here's a hidden feature which allows you to show your Wi-Fi band information for the one that you're connected and also nearby Wi-Fi. So this is a Samsung phone, and usually it would look something like this here, where you'll just see the available networks. But if you want to see the band information underneath each name, here's how you can go to enable this. On Samsung phones with Android 15, go ahead and use the quick access like this here, and you're going to look for the Wi-Fi icon. Long press it like this, then you'll go into where it says details. This will take you into the Wi-Fi main settings area, and now tap on the three dots found at the top right here. Now once you go here, tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Then from here now, you're going to look for this right here. Usually you would have something that looks like this here, where the intelligent Wi-Fi is the only thing that's showing, and you'll tap on it at least about 7 times, just like you would for developer options. So just keep on tapping it, and then it'll tell you Connectivity Labs is now enabled. Now, once you've done this here, this option here will now show. So you'll go into it, and you'll see all of this information here. Now, while you're here, go down, and you're going to go past all of these different options until you see customize Wi-Fi list settings. As you go here, you'll see the option that says show band information. This is the one you want to turn on. And if you turn it on now, you will be able to see that you have the different bands information underneath each of them. And of course, if you don't like it, just turn it off. But like and sub.